This is the video for you if you want to know why prepping actually matters. It's not the doom, it's not the headlines, and it's definitely not what a lot of people think. Hey there, I'm Michael with Asymmetrical Preparedness. I've been doing this prepper thing for over 20 years now. I started prepping because I saw the signs of an unstable future, and I always wanted to be able to take care of my family and those I love and care about. One thing I get asked a lot about is, what am I prepping for? But most of the time those people are actually asking, don't you realize you're kind of crazy? And the funny thing is, the truth is simple, and it totally makes sense. A lot of people out there think that people prep for the total collapse of society, the apocalypse, the end of the world, all those kind of things. But that's not it. That's not sustainable. That's not real life. That's just not real world preparedness. And there's a reason why fear-based prepping just never works long term. And I'm going to tell you why in a minute. The real reason to prep is simple. It's stability and peace of mind. It's about your family having options. It's about you having control when life gets messy. Prepping is living insurance. If you ever stick around at the end of the video, you'll see that in every video. Some of the reasons I want to talk about why common sense, real world people prepare are the following. You can lose your job. The power may go out. Natural disaster may come through your area. Or you may just have unexpected expenses. Prepping allows you to have peace of mind in all those situations. Let's face it, these kind of events happen a lot more often than one of those big events. And if you follow the steps that I talk about in all my videos here on YouTube, you'll become more prepared for those kind of events also. The real reason you should prep, honestly, is peace of mind. When you know you're covered, you worry less. You have a lot less anxiety. You start living more confidently. You will sleep better. Your mental and physical health will improve. And here's the part that a lot of people get wrong. Prepping should make you less anxious. But if you go the fear route, the opposite is true. If you prep out of fear, constantly worrying about the next event, you burn out, you stress out, and you feel like you'll never be ready. But when you approach prepping the common sense way, you increase your preparedness slowly, consistently, and in a smart, stress-free way. I have made all the prepping mistakes you can. I have prepped out of fear, and trust me, it's not sustainable. But there is a mindset shift that fixes all of this. Prepping shouldn't be about fear. It's really about freedom. The freedom to weather the storms of life. The freedom to take a breath when life hits you hard. The freedom to not rely on the government when disasters strike. Here's something I'd like you to think about today. Not as homework, not as a checklist, but as a mindset. Ask yourself this: what would my life feel like if I was prepared enough to stop worrying? Imagine the peace. Imagine the confidence. And the more you prep for the right reasons, the more that feeling will become your reality. If you want a good starting point, grab my Survival Kit ebook for free by following the first link in the description. It will help you build the foundation of true preparedness. When you prep for the right reasons, you prep smarter, calmer, and you're able to stick with it. You become the version of yourself that's ready for real life, not the fear-based version that's being pushed on you. And part of real life is the fact that we get sick, injured, and we might not always be in the situation to get to a medical facility. That is one reason why I feel it is very important to have antibiotics on hand. Link and coupon code for Jace Medical is in the description. They're the company my family and I trust for life-saving medications. As always, Thank you very much for allowing me to be part of your day. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and blessings to you and yours.